You've had a delicious spicy meal, right? Right? You want something light and refreshing for a dessert, right? Right. Then you need this delicious dessert that I'm about to show you, right? Right on! Now for each person you're going to need an orange, and I'm going to start by topping and tailing the orange. Now I'm going to cut the pith and the peel off. There we go, I've cut all the pith and the peel off the orange. Now, very carefully pull the orange in half and separate very carefully each of the segments. Very careful here, we're trying to keep the segments whole. There's one. Now take a segment and carefully cut off the inside edge there. And then very carefully peel off the skin from the segment. Here it comes. Just be careful, just tease it, don't be in a hurry. Ah, there we are. Now what I've got is a naked segment. I'll do the same with all the other segments. And there we have some nice clean orange segments and a pile of pithy skin. Pith off. Pop the oranges in a serving bowl, and you can either leave it like this or you can add in some chopped strawberry as well. Give it a little mix. Now we're going to sprinkle on a teaspoon of lime juice, a teaspoon of orange liqueur. This happens to be triple sec, but you could use Cointreau, although it's a bit sweet, and a teaspoon or two of tequila. Kind of making a margarita here. I could have another one for good measure. Then sprinkle on some soft brown sugar and pop in the fridge. Now, if you don't think your orange is going to be cooperative, or you don't have the patience of a saint, or the orange isn't going to be cooperative and you don't have the patience of a saint, the alternative is simply to slice the orange across its middle. So you end up with a bunch of slices like this. You can pop the pith out of the middle if you want to. Out it comes. Then you kind of layer it in a bowl. And some strawberries if you wish. More orange. More strawberry. More orange. And some strawberry. As before, booze it up, sprinkle with sugar and pop it in the fridge. Get your chops around that. I've had 6 servings of this delicious dessert. And it's amazing. I really like it. Anyway, next time, kitchen.